YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with another unboxing. It's already unboxed, and if you've seen the title you know what this is. It's a sneaker I've been after for a while. It is I don't actually know what it is. It's the Nike SB Team Classic Tom Sachs inspired, Mars inspired Team Classic. I'm out of practice, people, out of practice. So, to give you all the proper details, these are Nike SB Team Classic, Golden Beige, University Red. They're a men's US 7, a women's US 8.5, which makes them a UK 6 and a European 40. Now, I actually unboxed these on stream a few weeks ago. These deserve a proper unboxing. I got these in a sale at size for a bargain price of £30. Because I've been on the fence for these for quite some time, and I've got to say I'm super pleased I got them, particularly at the bargain price of £30. They're sold out now though, people, sorry. So Mr. B, just take a look at these, and I'm going to go in. I mean, look at these, camera too. They are just so epic. As I said, they're inspired by the Tom Sachs Mars 2.0 colorway, and it just works, and you can really see the inspiration there in the colorway. And even, like, I know it's Team Classic, but I prefer this as a profile. I know lots of you are probably shouting at me right now, but it's just me. It's what I like. It's what I like, people. You like what you like, I like what I like. So first pair of Team Classics for me, never bought a pair, and I know quite a few of you said to me on a Sunday stream that they're not the most comfortable. Mr. B said that as well. Haven't worn these yet, have tried them on. They felt pretty comfy to me, but you know, time's gonna tell. So let's take a look at the detail. So they're this really nice golden suede, and it's quite a rough suede, which you kind of expect from a Nike SB, because you want the suede to last if you're going to skate in your SBs. I'm not going to skate these, but I am likely to, dare I say it, trash them. I really don't want to though, because they're so nice. Why didn't I buy two pairs? Why at 30 quid? Why didn't I buy? And they've got this really nice, what is it? It's nylon material here. Then you've got the red swoosh, which I think is in leather. And if we flip it round on the back, you've got SB, Nike SB. Then you've got, again, the swoosh on red on the inside. Perforated toe. Then on the tag as well, the tongue tab, which is nylon. It's all stitched in, like sort of socky stitched in, if that makes sense. Then you've got the Nike SB on the tongue tab as well. With there's no alternate laces with these, and you've just got like the sort of beigey coloured laces. Just a super nice sneaker, especially on the inside. No. Now I'm not going to take the insole out as Mr. B does, because there actually isn't anything to see other than Nike SB. Now these are just super clean, like super clean. It is so nice, and I'm quite surprised that they've been sort of sat in the box down here in our basement for like over a month, and I haven't even worn, well actually I haven't worn them because my ankle has been screwed, so I had a week on the sofa, and yeah, I've been struggling with shoes and sneakers. These are so nice. I might have to wear these this week. And on the sole you have the red swoosh on the sole. Just look at that. Oh, just so nice, so nice. I mean, look at that. These have to be my burgundy Air Force Ones were a bargain that I got in Bordeaux a couple of years ago, but I think these may beat them on the bargain front for a nice pair of sneakers. What are we saying, Mr. B? Would you agree?
Strong words there.
They are strong words. I mean, I love those Air Force Ones so much, but these, 30 quid. 30 quid, people, absolute bargain. I mean, they were £64, not on sale, I think, which, you know, that's pretty good for a pair of Nike SBs. Me being me and being a bit of a tight ass, I was like, do I want to buy them at 64 quid? I don't know. I'm going to wait till they go on sale. Got them. I'm so pleased. Look at them. So nice. These may be like my full sneakers. Actually, I may save them.
They're a good fall sneaker.
You know, for like crisp, sunny, cooler days with a nice chunky knit.
I don't even get those in the UK.
That's true. That is true. That is true. What do we think? What do you think, Mr. B? Do you like these?
I really like them.
You've got some teen classics, haven't you?
I have, but I think these are going to look so much better on you because it's a smaller profile, whereas they look like boats on me.
Because you've got bigger feet than me.
I have. I think Huxley's getting excited.
I think, Huxley, what do you think of these? Up, up, up. Oh. I wasn't quite expecting that. But, yeah. Do you like these, Huxley? I think he likes these. I think these might actually be his most favourite pair of sneakers ever. Look, they look like you. If you had your red collar on, they'd look like you. Look, you'd be camouflage. And on that note, if you like these, leave us a comment below. You know, I know a few of you have picked up a pair of these, so leave me a comment. Let me know how these are wearing. Be excited to wear these. Yes, leave us a comment. Give us the old thumbs up if you like this slightly bonkers video of sneakers and dogs. And yeah, if you have got a pair of these and you're on the old Instagram, don't forget to hashtag your picture, Pint Stuff, so then we can go and see how you're styling your teen classics. And don't forget to come along and join us on Sunday evenings for Sneaker Streaming Sunday, where the dog sometimes does make an appearance. And Sneaker Streaming Sunday is at about 8 o'clock here in the UK, which is about 12 p.m. on the West Coast, and that is about 3 p.m. on the East Coast. If you're on the other side of the world, somewhere near Japan, that part of the world, it's about 5 a.m. on a Monday morning. Sorry guys. You know, I know it's early, I wouldn't get up to watch us, but you know, if you do, we do appreciate it. And on that note, I am going because I don't even think I need to ask you what you think of him. I think the dog did it all, to be honest. So yeah, I'm going. Over and out, Pint of Stuff. See you soon. Bye.
Yeah, I don't really know what to say.